All right, friends, we are back here in our Google Classroom. Again, under the pancake, we are looking at our to-do list, seeing what assignments we need to get knocked out. And the next assignment we have is a Padlet. Now, you may see, you can also add private comments. This means only with your teacher. So if I were to add a private comment here, only my teacher would see it. If I were struggling or if I needed help, this would be a great way to request for help. But if I was super excited, I could add a class comment, and a class comment will allow all of my peers in this Google Classroom to see what I'm saying about this assignment, and we can have conversation and share ideas about what we think about this assignment. Now, this assignment is called a Padlet, and in a Padlet, it says, click the Padlet below and answer what are your favorite songs. Padlet is a tool you may see some of your teachers using this year, and it's really awesome because it's almost like a virtual bulletin board. And so this says, what is your favorite music? Please share your favorite songs. Bonus points for video links. Awesome. So it's asking me a favorite country song. So as a student, I'm going to press this little plus sign here. It has my name. It should have your student's name here. And I'm going to say favorite song and a favorite country song. I'm going to say Nobody But You by Blake Shelton. And I saw there were bonus points for video links. I could go to YouTube and I could search Nobody But You. Oh dear. Blake Shelton. Oh, perfect. I could take this video link right here. So I'm just going to copy that video link to Nobody But You. I'm going to go back to my Padlet here. And I'm going to edit this, and I want to put in that hyperlink, Nobody But You. So now not only did I tell them my favorite song, I have given them a video where they can actually hear and see my favorite song. And so you would go through and you can do the same to the rest of the questions. If you had another friend who had made a post and told you what their favorite song was, you could have the option to comment to them. So you may press down here and add in your own comment. But this is Padlet, which is a really great tool. You might see some of your teachers using this year. So when you're finished and you've answered all of these columns, you would simply close this out. And when you look back at Google Classroom, you're like, okay, have I done everything that my teacher asked? Click the Padlet below and answer your favorite songs. If I have done that, you need to mark it as done. Always, always. So I'm going to mark this as done. And it says you didn't attach any work. Well, my teacher didn't ask me to attach any work. They only asked me to go to the Padlet and finish that. So I'm going to mark this as done. That assignment is now complete. And I can go here to my to-do list, and I can see that my to-do list is getting smaller. That was Padlet in Google Classroom.